Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PS5 maintenance error. First, try some quick and easy steps. Begin by fully restarting your PlayStation 5 console and ensuring all cables, especially power and HDMI, are securely connected. Next, power cycle your internet router and modem, turn them off for at least 5 minutes, then power them back on. Finally, check the official PlayStation Network status page online to see if there are any ongoing service outages affecting your region. If the initial steps don't resolve your issue, let's explore advanced software solutions using Safe Mode. To enter Safe Mode, power off your console, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Once there, you can try rebuilding the database, which often fixes corrupted data without deleting your games. You can also update your system software using a USB drive, which can resolve many underlying system issues. Physical maintenance is crucial for preventing and fixing errors. Always power off and unplug your PlayStation 5 completely before you begin. Gently remove the white side plates to expose the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow dust from the vents and a soft bristled brush, like an old toothbrush, to carefully clean around the fan and heat sinks. This helps prevent overheating and improves overall performance. Network issues can often mimic maintenance errors. Try connecting your PlayStation 5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, experiment with switching between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands, or try changing your DNS settings to public servers like Google's. If these steps don't work, it's time to contact PlayStation support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.